Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I mentioned last week scrying when I discussed the Bloody Mary legend, but I didn't explain what that is. So for those of you who are curious about it, scrying with a mirror is a divination tool that's been used since ancient times. In China in 3000 BC, they cracked eggs and interpreted them, the contents. In Egypt, they had young boys look in vases filled with oil. In ancient Greece, numerous oracles of Delphi gazed into a special spring to gain predictions. They used it to receive information from the spirit world, which might be about past lives, present, or future, along with any event that may have occurred during their past life. Nostradamus may have actually used water scrying to predict the future. Scrying mirrors have been called magic mirrors. The word scry comes from the Old English language, which means reveal, or to reveal, I should say. To scry, a person has to enter a powerful, concentrated state, which, in my opinion, is meditation. Sometimes black mirrors are used, along with crystal balls, which are far more common. The first mirrors were made from polished metals like copper, brass, silver, and polished obsidian. If you are interested in scrying yourself, I'll leave some links in the description for you. I actually have tried scrying, I'll admit that. I have a clear crystal ball. My sister bought me one for, I believe, the holidays, which I've used more for meditation than for its intended purpose, which is past life or talking to spirits. I haven't predicted the future or seen anything really. It's just a calming experience for me. And I think with scrying or anything like this, it's different for everyone, and no two people will have the same experience. If you have tried this practice for yourself, let me know what your experience has been. I was honestly thinking of getting a black crystal ball or a purple one, because I've read that different crystals are used for different things, and I actually was thinking of also doing a black mirror, painting a mirror black. Yeah. And at first, now mirrors, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I'm not comfortable around mirrors, which is really weird, but I've always been like this, and it's probably from the trauma of middle school. If you watch my Bloody Mary video, you understand why. And I think that's where it came from, because I've never really been comfortable around them. So I prefer crystal balls over mirrors, obvious reasons. And I have been looking more at actual crystal balls, because I've heard through my research that the imperfections in it actually makes it much easier to focus, because you can focus directly on one of those cracks or imperfections, and it gives you a much deeper meditation than a clear crystal ball. How I use my clear crystal ball, there's it's on a stand, and the stand actually looks rainbow underneath, and that's what I focus on. Since there is no imperfections in that, it's perfect, which is great, and it's a great start for me. I have an actual hard time meditating, so I don't, because it was so difficult, I started researching other methods, and that's how I came across crystal balls. Have you ever had any experiences with a crystal ball or mirror, if you've done this type of work or been around it? I mean, I know some psychics use crystal balls. Some fortune tellers do as well. So maybe you have had an experience with them. Let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by clicking that like and subscribe button to join the other things. Later today, a new narrated story will be up about sacrifice. If you don't want to miss that, click that bell icon to never miss a video. Thanks again, and take care until next time.